Welcome to a new Smart Money video on Success Habits for Millionaires. In this video, we're going to cover how millionaires position themselves for success. We reveal 7 of the most important habits that millionaires put into practice, that if you put into practice in your life, you too will begin to succeed. Now, not all of them are obvious, so pay careful attention so that you don't miss any throughout the video. If you like learning about finance, investing, and personal growth, please subscribe to the channel. It is interesting to know that 1 in 18 people in America will become a millionaire. Now, how do you stack the odds in your favor to ensure that you are part of 1 in 18 and not the other 17 who don't succeed at becoming a millionaire? Millionaires do more for their families and for their communities through their wealth creation and through the businesses and other investments and activities that they do. So it is vital that more and more people become millionaires so that we can make a positive impact on this planet. Success habit number 1 of millionaires is that they learn and grow. They continuously learn and they continuously grow. This might mean reading or studying or looking at courses and watching videos to learn about new things and new ideas. All of these ideas come together to give you, as a millionaire and as a potential millionaire, the ideas that you need in order to succeed. Comment down below what your favorite book is on personal growth or on finance and money. Success habit number 2 of millionaires is that they stay fit and healthy. The reason for this is that you can have all the money in the world, but if you lose your health, it is pointless. So continue to stay healthy, continue to exercise, and stay fit. Not only does it give you a long-term ability to earn and increase your wealth, but also enables you to have a quality of life that you may enjoy what you're doing and have the energy to produce wealth. Success habit number 3, spend time with successful people. To begin with, this is quite difficult because you might know only 1 or 2 people who you would consider successful. But as you spend time with them, you will begin to know more of their friends and more of their associates and acquaintances. And that will increase the size of your network, which will then allow you to spend more time with more successful people. So no matter how many successful people you know, the key is to just start spending time with one of them, and you will find that your network grows, and you will find that you start to think more and more like these successful people. Success habit number 4 of millionaires is that they set daily goals, and these daily goals are not just random things like today I would like to bake a cake or today I would like to go play golf. Rather, these goals are strategic and tactical. What I mean by this is that these goals come from their end vision. Their end vision is broken up into smaller steps so that each day they can work on a particular step and know that they are progressing towards the goal. And this daily habit of millionaires is one that sets apart the mediocre from the successful. If you find in your life that you are not succeeding and that you're not making progress and that month after month you're in the same place, year after year you're in the same place, it's likely because you have not set daily goals that you are trying to achieve in order to progress and move your life forward. If you do have daily goals and you find yourself still stuck, then it is critical to check, are your goals aligned with the bigger vision as to where you want to go? We have covered 4 out of 7 habits of millionaires. The ones that are coming up next are particularly powerful for transforming your life, so don't miss out on them. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to hit the like button, and that shows your support for the channel. Success habit number 5 is to focus on multiple streams of income. Millionaires never settle for one stream of income. They're always thinking, can I find another stream of income that is going to add to what's coming in? This is how you achieve true wealth, by having multiple sources of income coming in, and they each require a different amount of attention. So if you already have a job and you're working quite hard, the best thing to do is to find a side hustle or something you can do that only requires a few hours a week, but to start and to do it, because that's going to teach you and to help you practice and learn the skills that are required in order to build multiple streams of income. Now, I've kept the best for last, so don't miss out on these last 2 habits of successful people. Success habit number 6 of millionaires is discipline. Now, this one sounds really hard, but it is quite easy to build discipline. Just like you can build muscles, you start off with small weights, and slowly but surely you increase the weight, and you will build more and more muscle. Discipline is just like that. Start disciplining yourself in the small things, and you will find the big things are much easier to be disciplined in. Choose something like counting your calories. It's quite an exercise and it requires discipline in order to do, but it's simple and easy and anyone can do it. You can use an app. Now you're able to have more discipline because of the way you're conducting your life, perhaps in counting calories or in being disciplined for a half-an-hour walk every day or something to that effect. But that discipline transfers into the making of money, and now you find that you're able to stay disciplined with the goals that you have created, those daily goals that align with your vision, and that produces a significant momentum for getting you to be and to maintain being a millionaire. Success habit number 7 of millionaires is probably one of the most powerful habits there is, and this is a habit of developing your network every day. Develop your network in who you know and what they do, so that you're able to be connected to as many people as possible. Then, when you have an idea, you're able to test it with a broad audience and get lots of opinions and feedback, which helps to make your idea even better. Perhaps when it comes time to selling a product, you're then able to find people who can help you do this. If you then need to be introduced to clients or introduced to other people, funders perhaps for your idea, you have a network in place which is enabling you to succeed in business. So one of the major focuses of any millionaire is to grow their network daily. They want to meet new people, they want to reach out to those they already know and stay in contact with them and continue to build relationship so that when the time comes, they're able to help each other. At the end of the video, I'm going to link another video which will help you continue learning about how to be a millionaire. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you've enjoyed it, and remember to share this video with someone who needs it, because together we can create an abundance.